How to restore missing deleted home screen icons on Samsung Galaxy S26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here to click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on developer option. So after click on developer option, scroll down and click on enable verbs logging. So if you want to restore missing deleted home screen icons, so turn on this button. So after turn on enable Wi-Fi verbs logins, you will see your problem is solved. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can restore missing deleted home screen icons on Samsung Galaxy S26. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.